Hi guys, today we are gonna make Geometry Dash on ScratchJr. So let's go to ScratchJr, full screen. Now press the new project button. Now delete this character. Press the new character button and we'll make the character. Use only this part here. So you use an orange color like this and use the fat button and do this. A square, use this and make it full. Now you use a blue, this blue, and then you just press, and then a line, and here's your character. Now make him 2 times bigger. That's good. Now make a background so it can look like a Geometry Dash background. So blue for this, but still use fat. And the square and the same thing we used for the cube. And up there is this blue. Actually, this blue, which I've never used in my life. But you still gotta use the square. Snow White. Oh, Snow Blue. Okay, background's done. Now, we add the spike. So you use the triangle and black, and then do this. Still use the fat. Here's our spike. And now, make the button that can make it go up, which is gonna be light gray. Still use the fat. And everything we used for the square, but triangle too. And then try to make an arrow, so a line, and if you make a mistake like this, you can just use the move button and move. That's better. Okay. So now, we'll make another background and another background. So this background, we'll make the play button. So, we'll just make a green circle. Basically make a green circle using the circle button, but you have to use fat forever. And then make a triangle, a yellow triangle, still use fat. Now turn it like this and use the turn button. Now you use the move button and move it here. Now we'll click a play button. Now, if it's like about small, you can do this. If it's big enough like this, it can just stay like that. So now we'll add the same background as we made last time. Now we'll control the character. So this pressed, go to back to go to page, to start, click. See, now you can see. So we need to be on the up arrow character. We'll just move this guy here for now. It's the up arrow character. So when it's pressed, we'll do the send orange start message. Now go here. Now start on orange message. Like when you letter to a mailbox, you open a letter and see the letter. So this is just the same thing, but coding. So this is when it opens the letter, it will jump 4. Let's test it out. It works. Okay, now we'll do the same thing, but it will turn 3 times. Let's test it out again. Well, that's good. Okay. Have you done that? Okay. Now we'll control the spike. Set bump. And go to 3. We'll do 3 in a sec. Just need to do some more. So do this. And we'll move like this. Like this. But if you want it to look like the real geometry dash, then move the cube here and remove this. I want it to look like the real one. If you want, you don't have to do that. So I want to do the real one. Control this. Now we'll just make this geometry dash. Here. Now we'll make a tap to start. And then when it's pressed, then we can jump. But first, we need the spike to go this way to the left forever. Oh man. This gotta move. This should move a little slower because I think it was moving the fast way. Nope, it was moving the slow way. Well, it was moving the normal way, so we'll make it faster. Like, yeah. Okay. That's better. Okay. Now we'll do this. We'll remove this Catman. So we'll do this and press the paintbrush button and get the scissors and get this play button out. If you make a mistake and remove the circle, press the undo button and try to remove the yellow one, the yellow part. So we'll use the whatever line and make the button. So we'll do this. And now a triangle. Teeny triangle. Now we'll use the rotator button and rotate it like this. Now the moving button And there, the retry button. Now, if it's small like this, then make it big. And if it's big enough like this, then it's good to go. Now I'll make another button that's basically just the same thing, but it's the home button. Well, the main menu, I guess. So just tap, tap, and tap. Okay, now we'll make the fat lines. Wow. Okay, there's the menu button. Now again, if it's small, then make it bigger. If it's bigger enough like this, then it's good to go. Why is there two of these? Oh. Okay. So now, we'll do this. Game over. We'll make it red. But if you have a period, just remove the period. And make it big. So we'll do tap to retry. Remove the period. Now do two ors. Or. Not yeah. Or. That's better. And another or. Or. Not war. Or. This silly computer. You can do it on iPad too. You can just download the app and then you're good to go. But if you're just watching this app, then you can, then you can try to remember it in your brain and try to see if you remember how to make it when you get ScratchJr. So, now do this and back to menu. Remove the period here. Okay, now we're almost done. Just 4 more pieces of coding and then we're fully done. Okay, so you need to be on the back to menu button. So you do start on tap and then go to page 1. Now this does the same thing, only the retry button does the same thing, but it goes to page 2. Now, let's do the game. Oh, man. See? Now, it's the game. What? But that goes crazy. So, to fix this, we need to do this. We'll wait 2 seconds. Let's test it. Ah.